So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Chloe. So today I'm going to be doing a week in my outfits online. Well, lockdown while we're in a week. I thought I'd just video because it's going to be super fun to show you guys what outfits I wear in the week, especially when we're online as well. Might give you some outfit ideas, I don't know. This is going to be very realistic. I've enjoyed, and let's get straight into the video. Today it's Monday the 5th of February and this is what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing these jogger bottoms from Primark, absolutely love these, and I'm wearing this black top from Shein and like a bralette. So this is my first fit for today. I might probably will put this jumper on after though, and this is just from Primark, but yeah, this is my first outfit. Guys, this is what my outfit looks like. I got ready today because I have to go out my college today because we have to like see what I think I'm missing some work, so my teacher wants to come see, but also to see like maybe like COVID safe and all that. But yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this jumper from Shein. If you want to see my Shein hauls, go and check them out. But today is Tuesday, it's like in February. I'm just wearing a top of Shein, and I got like a little net thing, like a white t-shirt from Shein, and I'm wearing my Primark jeans. And yeah, this is like the outfit for today. Guys, today it's Wednesday, and basically this is my fit. Super casual, as I'm staying at home today, and it's like really casual and just nice. So I got leggings on from Primark, and then I just got this Nobody's Left to Cry jumper on. Super casual, absolutely love this. This is from this is like an Ariana Grande jumper. Yeah, so today is Wednesday, and this is my outfit. It's Thursday the 4th. I don't even know if this outfit probably don't even match to you guys, but do you know what? I'm not going out today, I'm just staying in. So this is my outfit. I know I wore these on like Monday or something, but I'm just wearing these jogging bottoms from Primark that you all seen already. I'm just wearing this like Peter Fink sport crop top thing, which is like a whole bag, and just like these dangly things, but this is literally just what I'm wearing. Does not match at all, but we're just. So guys, I do apologise, it is quite late at night, I actually forgot the films in the daytime. But this is just what I'm wearing today, it's Friday, so this is what I just wore today. Because I've got no collar, so I'm just like on the day at the house and just chilling. So I thought I'd just check on some shorts and a jumper, because not that, I don't know, I just thought I'd check it on, super cute outfit, you know. So I'm wearing these shorts, these are like from new, like I got them ages ago, and it's priced, they still fit me, I'm not gonna lie, I've had them for ages. And I don't know if they still send for food, I'll link them down below. I just got this cute little Primark jumper. I'm not sure if they still sell this either. Of course we're on lockdown, but I got some Primark a while ago and I absolutely love it. It's like a nice little plain white jumper, and this is literally just fit for today. It's just nothing special, you know, it's just simple and basic. So yeah guys, I know it's really late at night, literally I forgot to film this, so hope you all enjoy this like week in my outfits. If you want me to do more of these kind of like videos, like week in my outfits or something like that, then let me know down below what videos you would like to see off me, because I really want like loads of video ideas. So let me know what videos you want to see, because I will be definitely filming them all for you. I hope you have an amazing night or day whenever you're watching this. I love you all so much, and you're so strong, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!